Step 2. Go to town. Step 3. Go to every shop to exchange money with damaged money. Step 4. Wait until midnight comes. Step 5. Go to the forest in the middle of the night. Step 6. Keep walking until you hear strange noises, scary whisper and get goosebumps. Step 7. You have arrived. Step 8. Call him.
Excuse me, guardian of the forest. Forgive me for getting into the forest suddenly. Please help me to achieve my dream and I will offer any sacrifice for you.
Step 9. Ask him to curse the money in your bag.
I want you to curse all the money in my bag until whoever touches it dies.
Step 10. Let him take your left eyeball.
Okay, help me pull it out.
Step 11. Return home to treat your wound. Step 12. Go to the bank.
Can I help you, sir?
Step 13. Exchange your money for new money.
I want to exchange this damaged money with new money.
Okay, sir, please sit there and wait a minute. Here is your money, sir. We have checked and there are some that cannot be identified.
No problem, no need to return.
Okay, sir, thank you for visiting.
Step 14. Enjoy your time. Step 15. Prepare your seat. Step 16. Call him again.
It's time. Kill everyone who has touched it. This is not my dream. My dream is much more beautiful. Yes. Beautiful.
Beautiful. Step 17. Collect their blood. Step 18. Boil blood in every living quarters where there is a skull. Step 19. Your dream come true.